Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a complete tutorial from beginning to end on how to make a traditional red velvet cake. Now, this particular cake was a request originally from one of my fans. It was for Nathan. Happy birthday, Nathan. It's today, the day of my release, that I'm releasing this video, is your birthday, so happy birthday. This is for you. However, before I started making it, I had another request for the exact same cake for someone else's wedding. So this cake did not go to waste. It was sent off to someone's wedding. It was a colleague of mine, so congratulations, Anna, on your wedding. This is for Anna's wedding and for Nathan's birthday at the same time. So congratulations, everyone, and let's get started.
The cake is really quite simple to make. We need 2 cups or 450 milliliters of buttermilk, 2/3 cup or 150 milliliters oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1½ cups or 300 grams of sugar, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar, a dash of salt, 1½ teaspoons baking soda, 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, red food coloring, which is optional. The nice thing about this recipe is you basically just add everything to a large mixing bowl and whisk it all together. I like to start with the milk, oil, and sugar, but it shouldn't make a huge difference if you want to go in another order. So a bit of trivia about red velvet cake. Many people think it's just chocolate cake, but it's not really. My recipe for chocolate cake has 4 times the amount of cocoa powder. The truth is, the cake should taste of chocolate, vanilla, and buttermilk. All of the flavors should be there or it won't taste like red velvet. And another tidbit is, why is it red? Well, cocoa powder used to be refined with alkali, which reacts with vinegar and turns mildly red. Since cocoa powder is no longer processed like this, we have to produce the red color artificially with food coloring. This also means that you could make the cake any color if you preferred another color. I'm baking it in a deep 7-inch cake pan today. The batter is quite thin, that's normal. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The outside edge will brown quite a bit and the outside of the cake will look brown. Allow the cake to cool completely and remove it from the pan. I level it with a serrated knife. This cake is lovely and moist, and you can taste all 3 flavors nicely. I also cut the cake into 2 layers. Now, I eventually did this all over again for a total of 4 layers of red velvet cake. It really has a lovely color. Let's move on to the cream cheese frosting. We need 1 cup or 220 grams of full-fat cream cheese. Please skip the light versions, they have too much water. 1/2 cup or 125 grams of butter. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1/2 tablespoon vanilla sugar. About 6 cups or 750 grams of powdered sugar. Begin by creaming your butter. Add cream cheese and cream together. Add vanilla and slowly add all of the powdered sugar in at least 3 additions, creaming between until completely combined. This tall cake took a total of 1½ recipes of cream cheese frosting. Now we are using a gold cake board requested by the bride. Stick the cake down with a bit of frosting. Add frosting between each cake layer. Frost the sides of the cake with a thin layer of frosting. The bride requested a semi-naked cake. At this point, I'm concentrating on scraping off as much frosting off the sides as possible. Then I added frosting to a piping bag with a large open star tip and piped a very large rosette on the top of the cake. And I cleaned up the sides by piping stars at the edges. Finally, it is traditional to decorate a red velvet cake with cake crumbs. So I saved some from the tops I cut off and sprinkled them on top of the cake. This is such a lovely classic cake. I can definitely understand why people like it. So many people that 2 people independently asked me to make them one. So congratulations on your wedding, Anna, and happy birthday, Nathan, wishing you all happiness. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakerin germany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.